Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Mackenzie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mackenzie. Welcome. I've really been going through it for the past month. I really have, honestly, and that is why I have not been uploading. I have just not gotten out of bed. A lot of stuff has happened to me in this past month, and I really just don't think I'm ready to talk about any of it yet. I'm really just not ready to talk about any of it yet. I will do a video, kind of just a life update soon, just kind of explaining where I'm at, what's happened, and all of that stuff. But, you know, it's been a month of me not having a good time, and I decided that I need to just, like, yeah, I feel like I say this in every video, but you know, I need to get my life together. So my room, I'm not gonna lie to you, I've not cleaned it since the last time I cleaned it. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Thank you so much for 200,000 views on that. Y'all are real for that. I need to clean my room again, really bad. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is I think like 2:30 in the morning right now. Also, my sleep has not been great, so that is something else I have to work on, but I do need to clean my room. So that is what we are doing today. This video got a lot of views last time. You guys really seem to like it, so that is why I'm doing it again. Leave comments down below on videos you guys want to see. I literally do read every single one of my comments, so I will see your comment. And yeah, I guess since I'm not going to be sleeping anytime soon, I might as well be productive about it, and we're gonna clean my room. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's 2:30 in the morning. I'm really not looking to put on my ring light right now, so lighting is gonna suck. Sorry about that, but let me just show you what we're working with. Let's just start off by saying there is cat vomit all over my floor. I need to clean that up. All of these clothes are clean. I did laundry a week ago and just have not had any motivation to put it away, so we're gonna do that. We're not gonna talk about this mess. I need to lint roll my cat's little sleeping areas. That we're just not gonna talk about that. You know what? Enough of that. Let's get started.
No more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to
Alright, not gonna lie to you guys, it is 3:30 right now, and I feel like I've done a lot, but I actually haven't. And like, I want to be done. I'll show you what I've done. So I put away all my laundry in here. In here, I cleaned up all of this. If you remember what this looked like before, is that we're just not gonna talk about. It is now pretty much all clean. Cleaned up all the cat puke. Go me. And I really just want to be done. I'm like kind of out of the mood. I don't know, I might do a little bit more, but I am probably going to pick this up tomorrow. I will finish cleaning my room by tomorrow night. Putting it into the universe now that I will finish by tomorrow night. So I'll see you tomorrow when I continue. Yeah, I could not fall asleep last night. I think I fell asleep at like 8 a.m. Woke up at 3 p.m. It's currently 4:20. It's 4 p.m. and I gotta finish my room. So let's do it.
No more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
Okay, so I just brought my trash outside, and I also brought the 2 bags of donation stuff out to my car so I can drop those off last week, if you guys remember that from my last video. Still never did it, but they're in my car now, and I actually cleaned out those, I actually cleaned out those 2 boxes that were over in the corner of my room, that one that was filled with stuff from last Christmas and the other one, and it looks so empty. Literally looks so empty. I can finally use the whole mirror. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing as yesterday, don't judge me, but we are looking good, guys. We're almost done. We're almost done. Okay, it is 5:30 and I think I'm pretty much done. I mean, there's definitely stuff I can do, but will I do it? No. So let me show you what we did. The door. See, this is something I can work on. I'm not going to. The desk, it's pretty messy, but this is all just stuff I don't know what to do with, so leaving it there. All of this all cleaned out, super happy about that. I have my laundry, all this stuff, the food and stuff I can figure out another time. Yeah, I'm being a witch for Halloween. Bed, all done, all over here. This is all pretty much done. So, I mean, props to me, good job to me. Yeah, good job. Good job. Alright guys, so that is it. I'm pretty much done with this. I'll probably do a little bit more during the week, just like clean up the little stuff, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It definitely looks 1,000 times better. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching, and I will be back soon with another video. My cat is currently exploring the new clean area. So again, thank you guys. Leave a comment down below. I read all my comments, and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.